To my future employer in Hong Kong, hi, good morning. My name is Annie. I am 33 years old. I am married. I have 2 kids. I work as a domestic helper here in the Philippines before, and my employer let me go to college. They are the one to give me money so that I finish college, and I stay for almost 6 years until they decided to migrate to the other country. And also I work in Hong Kong as a domestic helper for 1 year in the first employer, and because I need to go home Philippines, my mom is sick during that time. She needs further treatment, and also my employer is so nice. Ma'am Minnie is so nice to me. She let me go home, but we are good to each other. I give 1 month notice for that. I don't have any problem with my previous employer. They are so nice. The food is very okay. They give me enough rest also, and I can. And since I am a hotel and restaurant management graduate, I can cook. I will not promise that it is the best food, but I will try my best because a lot of YouTube tutorial, we can just search videos for that. And also I am good in cleaning. I am very good in cleaning since I have a lot of training in housekeeping. I go on board already during my on-the-job training in college. I am a varsity swimmer. I can definitely teach your kids how to swim professionally. And it doesn't matter to me if I take care of kids, newborn or elderly, as long as my employer are kind-hearted. Because I am doing my best to give my family the best life that they deserve. Thank you so much. Good morning. Goodbye and God bless.